Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be painting some jeans jackets. I painted these for the art market I was at, but they didn't get sold, so they will be available on my Etsy. But I thought this was a nice thing to do. Kinda thought of it at one point and then did the one jacket with the frog. So you will see I do not have a lot of footage from the frog jacket, but I did paint two other ones right now. And I did record those, so you will be able to see these. I have three different jackets. So the first one with the frog on is a large thin denim jacket, which I like, in a light blue color. The second one is a black jeans jacket with like faux wool lining, so it's pretty warm. It's nice for in the fall. And the third one is a dark blue large jacket, but it's sewn really nicely. It like puffs a little bit at the bottom, if that makes sense. So yeah, let's get into it. I hope you enjoy. Here I'm starting with the background a little bit, painting a lily and then three of those sticks that are in the water. I don't know how you call them. They look like corn dogs. You know, the ones where if you bite in it, it like makes all this fluff. You shouldn't bite in them, for real. Don't do it. I don't think it's really pleasant. But yeah, I started with the background. Painted first the base layer and then I will go over it with some shading and some lighting. You can see it very nicely because of the lighting, but it was the only spot I had left in my room to do it, so it's been a few busy days. Here you see the sun is making sure you don't see anything, so I started a little bit on his hands and his face, because that part you could see a little bit. Here I'm doing the little hairs as a base layer, because later on I will put another layer on top and then do it again. But I'm just making sure I know what everything needs to be. And I'm gonna paint over it a little see-through, so you will be able to see the changes I made right now. Here I also did the base of black for the nose and eyes. Go in with a really light gray color, almost white. Then on top of that I will paint the little hairs. It was a little bit harder because I have never really done a wet animal before. Usually like I know what to do with the loose hairs, but this little fella came out of the water, so all his hairs were like sticking together a little bit. I tried to make that work and like make it look like he just came out of the water, like others do. They're so cute, I can't. It kinda looks like one of those dead metal people. He kinda looks like a sad clown. He's cute, nonetheless. So here I'm making those little hairs. I'm gonna go in with 3 colors. So right now I'm doing the lightest color, then I'm gonna do a darker color and then light again. And then maybe some highlights to make it pop. You see my nose a lot. You're welcome. I love being in frame. Here I'm defining the arm hairs a little bit because they're like bent in a weird way and there's a lot of overlapping there, so I'm trying to get this as realistic as possible, but I'm telling you, this is my first time, so I'm winging it. Make sure you don't forget his little ear holes and the little hairs on his head, because he needs to be looking really, really cute. I painted a lyric on it from Ladywood from Tuvalu, because I love that song a lot. Okay, now on to the third jacket, which is gonna be a little fairy lady. Again, I winged it, literally this time, because she has wings. I didn't film all of the process, but I filmed a couple of pieces for you to see how I kind of did it. I went with like a messy style for the wings, because I thought that was gonna look nice. So they look a bit, I don't know, iridescent or something. That's not really the word I'm looking for, but you know what I mean. They look like a bit magical. And here we have the end result of all three. I had a lot of fun making these, but also not, because the paint is a pain in the ass. It's like really fast drying and really sticking together. So like whenever you want to do one stroke, all your paint is gone and you have to take new one, and you just have to use a lot of product for a little space, which I'm not used to, because I'm used to a little product going a really long way when I do acrylic. So it was a little hard to work with, but I'm so blessed with the end results. The first jacket with the frog has a lyric from Venus Flytrap from Marina, because I really love that song. All three of these songs I love so much. The second one is Ladywood by Tuvalu, and the third one is Bells in Santa Fe by Halsey, which I also love so much. These are a couple of lyrics that hit right here, and so I thought, why not put them on a jacket, because maybe it could mean something for some people too. So what better way than to wear it? I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, if you would like to purchase these, they will be available on my Etsy. If you don't, that's completely fine. Just go give my site a look and you'll see. Maybe you'll see something for in the future, or share my website. That will help a lot too. I'm just trying to get somewhere with my art pieces and hope I make people feel something. Anyways, I'll see you in another video. Okay, bye bye. See you later.